In this video, let's talk about how to fix the YouTube cannot upload video error. So if you're trying to upload a YouTube video and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, there are a few things that you need to know. In order to upload longer videos, so more than 15 seconds, you need to verify your account. So if your account yet is not verified within YouTube, this is the exact issue that you're facing. Also, make sure that you convert your video into a MP4 format and make sure that your video file does not exceed the absolute maximum limit, which is 256 GB. So you need to ensure these few things before you upload a new YouTube video. Now, if this is not the case for you, what you can try out is try to clear the app cache of the mobile app of YouTube. So just tap and hold the app, head over to this eye icon, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Once you complete this step, try to see if this fixes the issue. If you're using a web browser on your laptop or desktop, make sure you disable any sort of ad blockers and make sure you also disable your VPN while you're at it. So once you do these few steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube cannot upload video error. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.